Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the normal form. So in the normal form, suppose this is your line L. You know the distance from the you know the perpendicular distance from the line to the origin, or from the origin to the line, and you know the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, so you have a distance, that is perpendicular distance from 0, 0 to L. Number 2, alpha, angle made by perpendicular with positive x-axis. Okay, so these are the two things that you have. Suppose we can find this x-intercept and y-intercept, then it is easy to obtain the normal form using intercept form. Okay, suppose this is O, this is M, this is AB. Okay, so in triangle OMB, angle OMB equal to 90 degree. So you can apply the trigonometric rule, and you can easily see that cos alpha is equal to P by U, or U is equal to P sec alpha. Okay, and in triangle AMO, angle AMO equal to 90 degree, and here I can write sin alpha is equal to P by V. Okay, so what is your V? V is equal to P cosec alpha. So you see, now you know from intercept, the details of intercept form, you know the intercept of the line. So applying intercept form, with x-intercept. What is your x-intercept? X-intercept is P sec alpha, and y-intercept is P cosec alpha. So now just simply find the equation of line. We get x by P sec alpha plus y by P cosec alpha equal to 1, or x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. So this is the equation of line in normal form. Okay, I hope you understood how to form the equation in normal form. In my next video we will discuss the problem section of first problem section of straight line, because straight line has many the problem section is distributed into 2 to 3 parts. Okay, so there are already we have done a lot regarding the theory, such as slope, parallel and perpendicular lines, angle between the straight line, and equations of line. So we have covered a lot of theory. Now we go for problem part wise, small part. We will discuss the problem. Okay, thank you so much.